The kadha we need are cinnamon or dalchini. I have taken 3, 2 cloves, just a piece of ginger, honey, tulsi leaves, and black pepper powder. Just I'm showing you how to do it. So for the adrak, if you have this type of grater, it will be good. You can grate it. You can grate it like this. You can do it like this, or for those who don't have grater, they can take it like this, and you have to use this traditional chimta, and you have to carefully press it like this. Whichever suits you, you can do it. So here is my grated ginger. Just a minute, please. Here is my grated ginger, and I'll add the cloves, cinnamon, black pepper powder, tulsi leaves. All I added, except the honey. We will add it at the end. Okay, and now I am taking water. Now I am taking water. For approximately 1 cup of kadha, you need to take 1 and half cup of water. Okay, and then we'll let it boil in a medium heat. So now I'll be using my induction. So okay, and I'll keep it in medium flame, and I'll cover and let it boil till the water becomes half of it, or 1.5 cup reduces to 1 cup. We will let it boil. Okay, let's come back when it starts to boil. It's almost 5 and 6 minutes, and let's see how the kadha looks like now. You can see the color has changed, and it is boiling. Now we will increase the flame, and we will boil it for another 2-3 minutes. Now as you can see, the kadha is reduced to almost 1 2/4 cup. So now it's time to switch off the flame, and we will let it cool for a bit, and then we will strain it. Yay! Mimi! She's in resting mode right now. Say hi. Winnie, say hi. She won't. Now our kadha has cooled down a bit, and then we will strain it. 1.5 cup has reduced to half cup of this, and in it we will add honey. Never add honey to extreme warm liquid. Always let come down to temperature. Let the temperature come down a bit, and then we'll add honey. So add honey as you like. I don't like much of it, so I'm having a little portion of it, and we will mix it well. And a cup of kadha is ready to be eaten, and I feel it will help you to boost your immunity and fight against the diseases that are happening right now. So enjoy your cup of kadha and stay happy and healthy. Cheers.